So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find Windows Update. Click on run. And now this will come up. You want to go with the option which is most applicable to your situation. It's most likely going to be this first one right here. I can't download, install, uninstall and update. And now you want to click on yes. You just want to follow through all the steps that will come up here and then see if that fixes your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, now we're going to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health and then click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And now once you run both those scans, you just want to restart your computer. And this should now fix your problem.